So here's a very interesting app called FAMILO, Find My Phone Locator. It's a very nice alternative to Life 360 app, and I really recommend you to try it out. This is basically like a family GPS locator app. If you wanted to know, where your loved ones are located and just stay connected with the people who matter most, FAMILO is a Find My Phone app you can use with your family and kids. And yeah, you can just see real-time family locator on the map, know when family members arrive or leave, panic button for emergency location sharing, communicate in a private family chat, low battery consumption, very easy to use for kids and parents. Each user decides who can see their location. And then this app can also be used anonymously. I'll just show you how. And then yes, what they say here, you have 360-degree view of your family safety, intelligent places, panic button, check-in, multiple groups, chat, and all of the stuff like that. So then you can just open it up, and then this is how it looks like. As I've said, like you can just start using it anonymously, meaning you don't even need to sign up. So just open the app and just with your iPhone, you can start using it. Then if you want to add your email, you can just do it later. But remember, if you can continue anonymously, once you delete the app or get a new phone, your groups, contacts, and places will be lost. So that's basically what it is. And then you just have your groups, there is your family, or whatever. You can just create your own group, or you can just join the group with the code, and you can name it what you want, like friends, family, kids, as you want. And then basically now you just need to give access to your contacts or just invite people by their phone number. It's not only German phone number, it's like because this app is just built in Germany, but this is just like all other countries you have here. And then yeah, you can just tap start tracking, and then you will see that people's location on the map in real time. So that's basically the main feature of the app. You can ask your kids when they're going to school, or ask your loved ones where they are, and then you will just see real-time locations of your friends, for example, when you're traveling somewhere or something like that. Then you can also just have chat. You can just chat here, but you can of course chat whatever in Messenger, WhatsApp. But here are the main features that you can see their live location on the map. Then if you wanna, you can just check in yourself. So just tap check in, and then you can just write the message. Then you can just enter who is with you, add an image, and then just tap send, and that's basically what it is. And then also you can just add places where you can add like work, home, kindergarten, school, for example. And so it's quite convenient just to get more organized. And then you can just check in at that specific place. So like you can teach your kids so they can notify you, hey, I just arrived at school, and like my GPS phone knows that I'm at this location. So that's quite convenient. And then you also have group feature. Again, that's what I showed you. And this group feature in top right, you can set up your location mode. If you set up it to visible, it will be shown in real time to all the places, and you will just basically will be tracked by other people in the group. Then you can also just set up places. So that's just what I said. So when you just arrive to specific place, you will see that location reflected on the map. Otherwise, you won't be visible to track. So that can be useful for kids, for someone. So just you don't want to know like where they just travel around the school or something. You just want to know that okay, they arrived at school and now they're in that area. And then you can also set something like invisible. So then you can just set up this invisible mode. So that's basically in a nutshell, that's how the app works. That's the idea. And then you can see your profile in top left. You can tap on your icon. In the bottom, you can just tap delete my account. Then you can just log out. You can change your name, all of that. And then you can just also add email address if you wanna, and that's what it is. So try it out. Try out this app. I really like it. Just very easy to use, very easy to start. Like very like easy minimalistic design, and that's how it works. So give it a try. Of course, there are some other alternatives like Live 360 is a like leader in this market, but it's always good to find some alternatives, and this is one of the apps is like under the radars, but I think it's undervalued. There are some still few glitches and bugs here, but you can try it out. It's a bit on the expensive side. I would say it's like 1 week is like $1 per week, or 12 weeks is $40. So basically, like 3 months is $40, and then yeah, if you want to use it for a year, it's like 160 will be or something like that. Yeah, if I am correct. Um, so yeah, something around that. So, but anyhow, if you wanna make sure that you are staying in real time connection with your family, that's probably worth it. And these apps are kind of in this price range. Unfortunately, they are quite expensive. Maybe Life 360 will be a bit cheaper, but give a try also to this one.